Hi, on a lovely sunny day in November, which is very unusual here. It's been very grey for a long time. I thought I'd do some tapping today on allowing ourselves to tune in to what feels good to us, rather than the things we think we should be doing or that we think others think we should be doing, all the stories that we tell ourselves. So I thought we'd do a bit of tapping on that today, because I'm sure I'm not the only person who does that. So most of the time we'll be tapping on the side of the hand. You can tap like that, you can tap like this, you can just hold the point if you want. And if you choose to tap with me, then you take full responsibility for your own well-being. So let's get tapping. Even though I'm not so good at tuning in to what feels good to me, I'm excellent at tuning in to what I think I ought to be doing, or what I think other people think I should be doing. I'm an expert at that. And I'm open to the possibility that that's not the best way to create a good life for me. And maybe it's finally okay for me to tune into myself. And when I have a decision to make, or a choice to make, to take some time to tune into how it feels to me. What option lights me up? What option lifts my spirits? What option feels exciting? Because when I follow that guidance, I can't go wrong. And wherever that takes me, I can just make another choice. And I give myself permission to finally use me as my ultimate resource. Because I know deep within myself what's right for me at any given moment. And sometimes I get in my own way. And that's okay. It's an old strategy that I can allow myself to change. Because tuning into me is the best possible way forward for me and for everybody else. And if I'm not sure what feels right, maybe because I'm blocking myself, a simple trick is to put one option in one hand and one option in the other. To close my eyes and jiggle and see which one is higher. It always works for me. There are so many different ways of tuning in. And when I know what feels right, my energy is aligned with it. And things flow so much more easily. So maybe it would be okay to give myself permission to pause a moment before dashing ahead into what I think I should be doing, so I can really tune in and give myself permission to do what really lights me up. and I love and accept all parts of me. So I hope that's helpful. That's just a short tune in, but I do find that balancing things in my hand is a really good way of allowing my subconscious to tell me what I think the answer is, rather than getting the head involved. Because there's a part of you that always knows the right thing for you to be doing. And when we don't do it, it's just because something's getting in the way. It's usually an old strategy, an old pattern, an old should. And really, the less shoulds we have in our life, the easier it is to create a life that works for me, for us. And when it works for us, then it works for everybody around us. And the belief that it doesn't is just that. It's an old, outdated belief. So have fun playing with that, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.